Hi everybody, I know you've been dying to see this, so I got it. So here's some steps, here's a little door. We made a tiny doggy, so there's a doggy door. So then open up this, and then open up the wheel deal. See, we turn the lights on. That's everything. You see there's a mom and dad here, a puppy right here sleeping. They're all little sleeping. And then a little girl right there that's sleeping.
Do you want to talk about the ladders and the slides?
Oh, yes. So the little girl, when she wants to get down, she can go down the ladder or she could go down the slide. And then after she goes down the slide, she comes over here. And then here's a little dining room. A table, some chairs. Ooh, one of the chairs fell down. So there. And then there's a little kitchen over here. And then there's
burners.
the oven.
The oven. Cool.
And here's little things. And
your lights really work too, huh?
Yeah.
3 working lights.
I made a lamp, another lamp, and we also have a tiny chandelier right over here. And then we have some curtains.
Oh yeah, the curtains with your rings. You made your rings so that the curtain would draw.
Yeah, we don't really want to put any curtains down here because we forgot to put some curtains down there. So we're just leaving it blank.
Let me show the butterflies on the other side.
Yeah, so
in the backyard. You
here's the backyard. So here's a path. And then here's a little playhouse that the door can open and close. And then here's a hot tub of all these bubbles coming out because the jets are on. Little hot tub. And some tiny flowers over here. And yeah. So then there's feathers on the roof. And then look over here. Look at that big place.
Inside, nice view.
And then look at this whole entire thing.
Ooh, what's on the other side?
Yes. Look at these stripes. There. Butterflies. And then we have this little thing up here that can turn. And then come to the other side. And there's more butterflies.
Oh, the little steps are so cute.
Yeah.
Great job. All right. Say
And
bye.
we have to end this video right now because I have to go somewhere with my friend. So bye. I hope you liked it.